Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English on the Way, the fun and easy way to learn English. I'm Charles.
Hello, Charles. Hi, everyone. I am so happy to see you all today.
Me too. We have a really fun topic for this episode.
Oh, what are we talking about today, Charles?
We are talking about everyday useful phrases.
I love that. These are the words you need every single day.
Exactly. From the moment you wake up until you go to sleep.
These phrases are so important. They help you feel safe when you speak.
Right. When you know simple phrases, you don't feel afraid.
So, where do we start? Do we start in the morning?
Yes. Let's start with morning routines and greetings.
Perfect. Mornings are busy.
They really are. What is the first thing you say when you wake up?
I look at my family and I say, "Good morning."
Very simple. Good morning. Everyone understands that.
Yes. Sometimes I ask, "Did you sleep well?"
That is a beautiful question. It shows you care about them.
Totally. And if my kids are sleepy, I say, "Time to wake up."
Time to wake up. I say that a lot in my house, too.
What about when you go to work, Charles?
At work, I usually see my coworkers in the hallway.
Do you say good morning to them too?
Sometimes, but usually I just say, "Morning."
Just morning. It is very short and friendly.
Yep. Or I say, "How's it going?"
How's it going is such a great American phrase.
It really is. It just means, "How are you?"
And you don't need a long answer for it.
Right. You can just say, "Good, thanks," or "Not bad."
What if you see your boss? Do you talk to your boss differently?
That is a good question. With my boss, I am a little more polite.
Right. You might say, "Good morning. How are you today?"
Exactly. It is a little longer and very polite.
But after I say hello to everyone, I need one thing.
Let me guess. Do you need coffee?
Absolutely. I run to the cafe near my work.
Me too. Ordering coffee is a great time to practice English.
Yes. What do you say when you order your coffee?
I always keep it simple. I say, "Can I get a large coffee, please?"
Can I get is the best phrase. It is so easy.
Yes. Listeners, remember that phrase. Can I get?
You can use it for anything. Can I get a water or can I get a tea?
Exactly. And the worker might ask you a question.
Like, do you want milk and sugar?
Right. And you can just say, "Yes, please," or "No, thank you."
I always say, "Just a little milk, please."
That is great A1 vocabulary. Very easy and natural.
Sometimes they ask if I want it for here or to go.
Oh, that is a very common question in America.
It means, do you want to drink it inside the cafe or take it with you?
Exactly. I usually say, "To go, please."
It is okay if you forget these words. Just point and smile.
That is so true. Never give up. Step by step, it gets easier.
So after we get our coffee, we have to pay for it.
Yes, we do. That brings us to our next topic, shopping and paying.
I love shopping, but talking about money can be hard.
It can be scary for beginners. Numbers can be confusing.
Don't worry, we have some great phrases to help you.
What is the first thing you say when you want to buy something in a store?
If I don't know the price, I ask, "How much is this?"
How much is this is a golden phrase.
You can point to a shirt or a book and just say, "How much is this?"
Right. Or you can say, "How much does this cost?"
Both are perfect. And what happens when you go to the register?
The cashier will tell you the total price.
And they usually ask how you want to pay, right?
Yes, they always ask cash or card.
I hear that every day. Cash or card?
Me too. I usually say card, please.
I don't carry cash anymore. I just tap my phone.
So you use Apple Pay? What do you say then?
I just ask, can I pay with my phone?
That is very clear. The cashier will say yes.
But Charles, what if you buy something and it is a mistake?
Like if you buy a shirt and it is too small?
Exactly. Returning items can make people nervous.
It doesn't have to be nervous. Just take a deep breath.
What do you say to the person at the store?
I say, "Hi, I would like to return this, please."
I would like to return this. That is very polite and simple.
Yes, and the worker will probably ask, "Is there anything wrong with it?"
You can just say, it doesn't fit.
It doesn't fit. Very easy to say.
Could you say, it is broken or it doesn't work?
You can say it is broken or it doesn't work.
See, you don't need big, complicated words, just simple facts.
I want our learners to know this. Clerks talk to people learning English all the time.
Yes, they will understand you. Just try your best.
Believe in yourself. Every time you speak, you win.
Speaking of winning, our listeners are doing a great job today.
They really are. And if you are enjoying our podcast today, please hit the like button.
Yes, we would love that. And make sure to subscribe to the channel too.
It helps us make more fun videos for you every week.
Also, why not share this episode with a friend who is learning English?
Good idea. Oh, and please leave us a comment below.
Yes, tell us in the comments what is your favorite thing to buy at the store.
I can't wait to read those. Okay, Rachel, let's talk about our next topic.
Is it time for small talk?
It sure is. Small talk is how we make friends.
Yes, small talk is just a quick, friendly conversation.
When do you usually make small talk?
Maybe waiting in line at the store or in the elevator at work.
The elevator is a classic place for small talk.
What is the easiest topic to talk about with a stranger?
Definitely the weather. Everyone talks about the weather.
It is so true. What do you say if it is a nice day?
I look outside and say, "Beautiful day today, isn't it?"
Beautiful day today. I love that. It makes people smile.
What if the weather is really bad, like heavy rain?
I usually say, wow, look at that rain, or stay dry out there.
Stay dry is very kind. It is a nice way to connect.
Do you ever talk about the weekend for small talk?
Oh yeah, all the time. On Friday, I always ask people about it.
What is the best phrase to ask about the weekend?
I like to say, "Any plans for the weekend?"
That is perfect. Any plans for the weekend?
And remember, when you ask this, you have to listen to their answer.
True. Sometimes they talk a lot about their plans.
What do you say if someone asks you that question?
If I am doing nothing, I just say, I am relaxing at home.
Relaxing at home is the best weekend plan anyway.
I agree. Sometimes I say, spending time with family.
That is great. Small talk doesn't have to be long or difficult.
But Charles, how do you end the small talk?
Saying goodbye is very important.
You can't just walk away. You have to say something nice.
Right. A very common American phrase is, "Have a good one."
Have a good one. We use that so much. But what is one?
One just means day or afternoon or evening. It works for everything.
It is like a magic word. Have a good one.
Yes, you will hear this in stores, at work, and on the street.
Another great way to say goodbye is, see you later.
Yep, see you later, or take care.
Take care is very warm. I use it with my good friends.
Me too. It is a great way to end a nice conversation.
Okay, Charles. We talked about friendly things, but what if we have a problem?
Problems happen. That is part of living in a new place.
Right. That brings us to our final topic, asking for help and clarification.
This is so important. Sometimes you get lost or you don't understand something.
And that is completely okay. Even native speakers ask for help.
Absolutely. Let's say you are walking outside and you are lost.
How do you stop someone to ask for help?
Always start with, "Excuse me."
Excuse me. It is polite and it gets their attention softly.
Yes, then you can ask your question, like, "Excuse me, where is the train station?"
Or maybe, excuse me, where is the nearest bathroom?
That is a very, very important question.
It really is. You can use where is for any place.
Exactly. Where is the park? Where is the bank? Very simple.
What if you are inside a big supermarket and you can't find the food you want?
Supermarkets are huge. I get lost in them all the time.
Me too. What do you say to the store worker?
I just say, "Excuse me, where are the apples?"
Very easy. You just name the thing you want. Where is the milk?
Yes, people want to help you. They will point you in the right direction.
But Charles, what if they answer and they speak too fast?
This is a big fear for lots of English learners.
They panic because they don't understand the fast English.
Right, but you do not need to panic. Just breathe.
What is the best phrase to use when someone speaks too fast?
You can say, "Could you say that again, please?"
Could you say that again, please? That is very polite.
Yes, it is. Or you can say, "Sorry, can you repeat that?"
What if they repeat it, but it is still too fast?
Then you just ask, "Can you speak a little slower, please?"
That is a great phrase. Can you speak a little slower?
Never feel embarrassed to use these phrases. It shows you want to learn.
Exactly. Asking questions makes you a better speaker.
Sometimes people say a name or a street, and I don't know how to write it.
Oh, spelling can be tricky. What do you ask them?
I say, "How do you spell that?"
How do you spell that is so useful for addresses and names.
Step by step, asking these questions will make your life much easier.
I completely agree. We covered so many wonderful phrases today.
We really did. Let's do a quick recap so our listeners can remember them.
I love recaps. Let's go through the topics one more time.
For morning routines, we learned, "How's it going?" and "Can I get a large coffee?"
For shopping, we had, how much is this? And I would like to return this.
For small talk, we practiced, "Beautiful day today," and "Have a good one."
And for asking for help, we learned, excuse me, where is, and can you repeat that?
If you practice these everyday phrases, you will feel so much more confident.
Yes, you are doing an amazing job. Just keep practicing.
Okay, Rachel, let's do something fun to put it all together.
Oh, I know what time it is. Are we doing a practice role play?
Yes, we are. Let's do a practice conversation using these phrases.
Let's do it. This is my favorite part of the show.
Okay, I will be the worker at a cafe, and you are the customer.
Perfect. Let's pretend it is a beautiful Friday morning.
Good morning. How's it going today?
Good morning. I am doing well, thanks. Beautiful day today, isn't it?
It really is. Any plans for the weekend?
Just relaxing at home. Excuse me, can I get a large coffee, please?
Of course. Do you want milk and sugar in that?
Just a little milk, please. Oh, and how much is this muffin?
The muffin is $3.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Sure, it is $3.
Great, I will take it. How much is the total?
That will be $6, please. Cash or card.
Can I pay with my phone?
Yes, you can. Here is your coffee and muffin.
Thank you so much. Have a good one.
Thanks. See you later.
Wow, that was a busy morning at the cafe.
You did a fantastic job, Rachel. That sounded so natural.
Thank you. It is fun to use all the phrases in one big conversation.
Listeners, we want you to practice this at home. Be the customer and be the worker.
Yes, talk to yourself in the mirror. It really works.
Never be afraid to open your mouth and try. You have a beautiful voice.
And if you forget a word, just smile and ask for help.
That is the true secret to learning English.
Well, I think that is all for today's episode.
Thank you all so much for listening and practicing with us.
Please remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave us a comment.
We appreciate you being part of the English on the Way family. Keep learning, and remember, you can do it.
Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye.